colonize planets that one day humans travel to. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn a lot. Once humans reach other planets, they will have a need to colonize them. There are many ways that this can happen. They could create space habitats, they could terraform these planets, or they could create biodomes. A lot of the stuff that I will talk about in this video is highly theoretical because it has never been fully tested. But I think that it is important to consider these ideas in order to ensure that for the future humans are ready. Terraforming is a process that allows humans to change the environment of a planet to fit the needs they have. For example, if they arrive on Mars, they would have to create an atmosphere similar to that of Earth. This can be done in many ways. One of the most proposed ways is by creating a shell around this planet and then manipulating the environment inside, adding the necessary gases to create an Earth-like atmosphere. These planets would be called shell planets and would have control in the environments, and the ships that come in would also be monitored constantly. The biggest con to terraforming planets would be that it would come at a high cost to humanity, as it would take a lot of resources to perform this task. However, the biggest pro would be that humanity would gain a second home to ensure their survival, as well as eventually help recover animal populations that have been reduced on Earth, as well as grow trees or plants that are in danger of extinction due to deforestation. Hey guys, here I have a 3D model of a biodome. Biodomes are structures that could be used to colonize planets. The basic idea of biodomes is that you isolate astronauts from the environment outside, while the environment on the inside of this is monitored and controlled to meet their needs. In biodomes, you could control how many parts per million of a certain gas there is in the atmosphere or the air inside of this biodome. This particular 3D model is based off a structure that was used by NASA in the High Seas mission. High Seas Mission 3 was carried out in Hawaii, and it looked at how astronauts would live day to day on an environment like Mars. This is a 3D printed model, which is really exciting. Here I want to show you some of the aspects of this particular 3D model. So we can see there's a vent. We have windows. These would be solar panels providing power to the structure. Living spaces for astronauts, storage as well. A panel of sorts. The door to go inside. And here, this would also be a door that astronauts could go inside through. And it's just really cool to think about how a structure like this, or possibly many structures like this, could be used on a planet to allow hundreds of people to survive on it by means of controlling the environment inside. I think this is fascinating. This is the last method of colonization I was going to talk about. Thank you for watching this video series, and I hope you enjoyed.